and Jenkins, and frameworks like TestNG, data-driven page object model, hybrid and Cucumber, and one mini project will do for making understand how we build a project while using these Selenium concepts. And you'll be benefiting like soft copy material for Java and Selenium will be shared through mail, and your batch recorded videos will be shared for 1 year view access, and source code will share through GitHub server daily basis. Whatever I build programs, I will be committing in GitHub server that you can pull in your system on daily basis. Okay, now, and read videos will be given access for 1 year view access, and course fees is like 4,000 rupees, and daily 9:30 to 10:30 is the session goes on. Monday to Friday will be like this. 2 months is this course is designed, friends. And on Java, on Selenium, whatever we discuss the concepts, on each concepts I will be giving you some exercise programs also. In saying Java means we give as a programs. In Selenium I'll give some scenarios. Okay, now so different scenarios I'll give for assignment for your better understanding. Okay, doubts are always encouraged in asking the sessions. If you have any doubts, you can ask in a class in the middle of the session or in the end of the session, or you can put a query in a mail also. That's fine for me. Okay, this is what I've given day one as all introduction about what we are going to be discuss. And today, instead of wasting your time, directly let's jump into the Selenium. Friends, to start the Java, first we start with Java. After completion of Java only, we'll go with the Selenium, friends. Yes, first of all, to work with Java or to work with Selenium, what is the first prerequisite to work means? First of all, we must install Java in your computer. So what is the version of Java we must install in your computer means, friends? 8 version. Of course, we have Java 17 version available in the market, even though still developers and testers will be using Java 8 only. Even if you search in Google also, yes, 8 will be the coming in a top listed. Everyone know that in a searching mechanisms, if you search any keyword, particular keyword, whichever coming a top listed, that's the best one, best usage thing. Yes or no? Best trading, like kind of what we say like. Even if you search in Google also, we can see along with 17 and 16, we can see 8 also available, because 8 version is compatible with all Apache products, because Java is an open source. It's not a licensed one, it's an open source. So free license. So anyone can download and anyone can use it, friends. Okay. So the Java, along with Java, we use so many Apache products we are using, friends. So for every Apache products, the Java has to be compatible. Which version is compatible means 8 or 11 version. 8 or 11 versions are most compatible versions for all the Apache products. Even when we work with the DevOps also, we are working with the Jenkins, where Jenkins also is expecting 8 or 11 version to schedule your developer scripts through Jenkins. So 8 or 11 is a suggested. Even if you inquire your friends also, they used to say like same 8 or 11 still we are using, friends. Okay, better we go with 8. 8 is a success version, compatible version to all the Apache products. Let's go download with the Java 8 version. Then after downloading Java, once we install Java, then we'll be downloading the some integrated development environments, where shortcut we say IDE. IDE stands for integrated development environment. So by using IDEs, we used to develop your scripts or programs, whatever it is. We have various integrated development environments are there. IntelliJ, okay, Visual Path, Eclipse, like this. We have so many IDEs are there in the market. So we prefer Eclipse as a best user-friendly one. So we prefer Eclipse IDE to download it. Even once we are opening Eclipse before installing Java, Eclipse will not open. So even Eclipse is dependent to the Java. First you download and install Java 8 in your computer, then only you download Eclipse and open in your computer. Without installing Java, Eclipse will not get open, friends. Even it says like JRE is needs to install before opening the Eclipse. Like this error, it will be prompting. So make sure first install Java 8 version in your computer, then you download Eclipse IDE and open your computer. And one more thing, some people will be when I say 8, directly going to the Google and searching and downloading the Google and Java and installing in your system. So it will not works, because why? Once you download right tool, right software of Java version 8, then while installing the Java 8 version, two components will get installed in your computer, which is JDK and JRE. These two components will be installed when you download right Java 8 version. So where JDK stands for Java Development Kit, where JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. Okay, these two components are must, friends. So download perfectly. So let's try to download and install Java and Eclipse, and let's show you how to create project, package, all those things in today's session. Friends, tell me, whom can I make you presenter to do all these installation parts? Can you please? Whom can I make you presenter to do all these installations? Can you please? Can you please respond? I will instruct to install in your computers. Whom can I make you presenter to do all these things? Come on, friends. Hello, friends. Am I audible?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Please take initiation, everyone. Anyone can please. I'll make you presenter. I will instruct to install in your computer. Come on. Whom can I make you presenter? I'll give control to any one of one. Please try to initiate. Don't waste the time. Friends, I'm not asking any questions. I'm not asking any assignment also. I want to install all those things in your computers. Whom can I make you presenter? Don't waste the time. Please unmute and speak up. If you're seriously looking for trainings, this is the right place. Like this, you are putting your mouth, means no need of joining this class. Seriously, I'm saying that. Is this class are very questions. Try to understand. Be like it's a professional. Whom can I make you presenter?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can present me.
Yes. Please, my classes must be very active, friends. Sir, you connected through mobile?
I am
Yes,
connecting
I'm
from mobile.
connected to mobile phone.
Who connected through system, friends? Please let me know. Because who connected
Yes,
through
sir.
mobile, I can make presenter. That's what. Who is with
Sir,
system? Please.
sir, I have connected through mobile, but my system is on. You can install in that.
Okay. You joined from system otherwise? But we can do
I
only
have
in
to.
system, right?
Okay, I have to join through the system, na?
Yes, yes, yes. Please.
Okay, okay. I'm joining, sir. Just.
Yeah. In meanwhile, I'll explain this. We'll do in our system. Okay, practically. See, friends, if you want to download Java, just search with the Java SE development. Java SE development kit, where SE stands for standard edition, where SE stands for standard edition. So here my Java is a Oracle product. Earlier it was Sun Microsystem. Now it is under maintained by the Oracle Corporation. See here we can see in the Java download Oracle. Here we can see 17 is there, 16 is there, 8 is there. 17 is the latest one. Okay, 8, 11, 14. In this it is there. Okay, just click on Java SE8 archive downloads. Java SE8 archive downloads. Just click on it. See your friends here we can see important Oracle JDK license update. The Oracle JDK license has changed for release starting April 16, 2019. Friends, to download and install Java in your computer, so license terms has been changed since from April 16, 2019. So what is the license terms means? Friends, as of now, Java is free only, but some terms and conditions based it was licensed. Where it is, let me check. The new Oracle Technology Network License Agreement for Oracle Java SE is substantially different from prior Oracle JDK licenses. Okay, na? Previous license and current license substantially different. What is the different? Let's see now. The new license permits after April 16, 2018, some license terms got changed. That's what saying that. The new license permit certain uses only, such as personal use and development use at no cost. Personal use means like you and me practicing Java programs. For that purpose, we are downloading and working with Java. That's called personal use. It's free of cost. And development use. Generally in organizations, any software will be a licensed software. We have to purchase it and we have to make use to build your projects. But for developing, while using Java in companies also, in organizations for developing enterprise application also, there are also no cost at all. So personal usage and development use, no cost. Then where will be the cost applicable? Development wise, not required. But personal users not required. Where it is used means that, friend, once you develop your enterprise application on your standalone computer, okay, then that code is being deployed into the production server. Understanding? That code is deploying in a production server. So end customers like you and me and some other will connect there to website and I will use that application. Yes or no? That's come under commercial. To run your enterprise application production server, where they require some license for run that Java application in the production server. There we have to purchase a license here. But other uses authorized under prior Oracle JDK license may no longer be available. Please review the terms carefully before downloading and using the Java product. And commercial license and support is available with the low cost with the Java SE subscription. So when we deploy our enterprise Java application in a production server, where to make that enterprise application to across the end customers, where we must purchase the Java commercial license. Okay, na? Fine. So in commercial terms, we have to purchase our Java license. This terms and conditions has been reflected from April 16, 2019 onwards. But prior, like it was everything is free only. Okay, na? Development use and personal use only. As of now, it is a no cost. Okay, na? Let's try to download and install Java in our computers. Sir, are you ready with the computer?
Yes, sir. I am ready with computer.
With what name you joined, sir, to make you presenter? With what name in computer you have joined? With what name you have joined in computer?
Sambit Mahapatra.
Sandeep Mohan. Okay. Yes, now I can see make presenter. Yes, correct. Can you please accept?
What, sir?
Yeah, please accept to share your screen. Okay.
Okay.
Did you accept it, sir? Hello, Sambit, you there? Yes, I can see your screen, sir. Yeah, can you please open a browser and let's try to search with the Java SE development kit. Java SE development kit, where SE stands for standard edition. Okay, fine. Then click on Java SE8 archive downloads. Yes. And little bit down, sir, little bit down. Slowly scroll down, sir. Scroll down slowly. Yeah, here we can see Java SC development kit 8U311 is right. Yeah, friends, here Java is supposed to install in various platforms like Linux, Windows, Mac, Solaris. In all the platforms, my Java will supposed to install. Based on your operating system you are using, the operating system supported Java needs to download and install. Suppose the people who are working with Mac, there is Mac OS x64 is there. This is the JDK 80311 Mac OS 64.dmg. This needs to download. Okay, if people are working with Windows, here we can see Windows x86 and x64 is there. If people are working with Windows x64, go with this one, exe file to download. And people are working with the Windows 32-bit x86 window, you Windows x86 installer needs to download. Okay, I hope everyone using Windows 64-bit, then click on that. Yes, that click on it, sir. And please accept the checkbox and click to download. So earlier it used to download directly when I click on download, but nowadays since from 1 year it was asking to register. If you have any Oracle account, you can log in with that. Otherwise, you must register. If you want to register, click on create account. If you don't have any account with Oracle, first time you register and download. Okay. Later onwards, you that login, you can directly download. Okay, any product you want from Oracle. Okay. Now all the star marks are the mandate fields which needs to fill here. Your working email address. Please provide your working email address and the password to log in your Oracle. The password you have to provide. At least you must have 8 characters must be a password, and password must be uppercase, lowercase letter, at least one number and one special character should be there. And password should not be given as a same as the email. Okay, make sure like minimum 8 characters. Okay, fine. Select all the mandate star marks. First name, last name, job title. Let's give a senior associate, something like this. A Java developer, whatever it is, your wish. Software engineer, whatever it is, title you can give that. But all star marks are mandates for registering this Oracle account. But for anything you can give dummy also. We can give our minimum 8 and 10 character number should you. Okay. And the company you like Dell or Wiprona, TCS, something you provide, not issue for that, mandate for that. Provide any company name which is you know that any company give that. And address, give your city name, address, enough, not required to give all those things. Odisha, city Odisha, also give that Odisha. Okay, whatever you want. Okay, state, okay, zip code of yours. These are all mandate fields. Then click on create account. Then click on create account. Now verify your email address to use your account. Go to your mail. You'll get a mail from Oracle Corporation. Yes. There you click on verify email address button. Now click on continue. Click on continue. Now go to the Oracle login page in the last to second tab, I guess. Oracle login, one tab is there, right? From last to second tab. From last to second tab. Sir, you have opened so many tabs in the browser, right? It's in the top C. Sir, see in the tabs, browser tabs. From last one to second one. There you provide your registered Oracle email address and the password while registering in the Oracle application. That password you provide. Then once you click on sign in, the Java will download automatically for Windows 64, right? Yes, here it started downloading. It's 171 MB. It started downloading. Let it get downloaded. In meanwhile, let's try to download Eclipse in your computer. Let's open one more browser tab, sir. Let's try to search with a Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers. Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers. Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers. Yeah, click on the first link, Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers, Eclipse packages. First link, you click on it. Yeah, slowly come down. Slowly come down. So can you please click on decline, sir? One button is there, decline. Sir, did you connect it through mobile network? Sir, did you connect it through mobile or through Wi-Fi? Sir, can you hear me? Sambit. Sambit, can you hear me? Please unmute and speak out. You are on a mute. Sambit.
Yes, sir. I am connected from mobile network.
That's why it is taking time to
Yes,
download
sir.
this. Yes, fine. No issues, fine. Let's try to download Eclipse now. Okay. Slowly come down, sir.
Okay.
A bit down. Scroll down.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Right, sir. We can see more downloads box coming, right? Wait. More downloads.
Okay.
Here we can see Eclipse versions are there. See Eclipse for 4.16, 4.7, 4.18, like 4.22 are there. So here go with 4.16, where Java 8 is most compatible with 4.16 and 4.18. Okay, now? So better go with
Yes, sir.
4.16 version to download. Yeah, click on Eclipse. Yeah, 4.16. So little bit down. Enough. Now see friends here, Eclipse ID for Enterprise Java Developers heading 391 MB is there. Friends, how to download Java irrespective of the platform like Linux, Windows, Mac like this. Even to download the Eclipse also, irrespective of the platform, we need to download. See in the header Eclipse ID for Enterprise Java Developers, right side we can see Windows x86_64. OS x86_64. Some links are there. Observe friends. Sir, can you please mouse over there?
Yes, sir.
Down. No, down. In the heading of Eclipse ID Enterprise Java Developers heading. There, yes. Under the heading Eclipse ID for Enterprise Java Developers 391 MB. The right side we can find for Windows supported Eclipse, Mac supported Eclipse, Linux supported Eclipse. So whatever the operating system you are using, that OS supported Eclipse needs to download. Yours is Windows. Click on Windows x86
Yes,
and
sir. Windows.
yes, click on it, sir. It will be around 391 MB. Okay, it almost Java is getting downloaded. Almost 10 MB is pending is there.
Approximately over, sir.
Sorry, sir. Wait.
Approximately over.
Yeah. Now let me complete the process of downloading JDK. Just a moment. Don't click anything. It was
Okay.
still it was in progress. Some circle is there. Just wait. Still the download process is not ready for Java. Yeah, now it's done. Now you double click on it, the Java to get installed. One time is enough. Don't click multiple times. One time is enough. Double click on it. Now, just a moment. It will be opening the Java installation UI with some fraction of seconds. It will get open. Don't click multiple times. Okay, it will come.
Okay.
So friends, without installing Java, even we cannot open Eclipse also. It says like dependent to the JRE. JRE need to open Eclipse like this. Some error will. First of all, we download Java and install Java. Then only we open the Eclipse. It will opens.
Can I click, sir, again? It's not opening.
Yeah, you double click on it, right? JDK.
Yes. Yes.
You will get one pop-up to click on yes or no. Did you get that?
No, sir. No pop-up.
We'll get, sir. We'll get.
I think it's opening. Yes.
Yes. Click on yes. You got yes,
Sir,
right?
yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Again, once it's showing.
Yes. Because you have clicked it double times, right? One you click on no, sir. Otherwise, you have clicked for 2 times,
Okay.
right?
Excuse me, can we just record the video of the session?
Yes. We are recording the session.
Means are you recording, or we can record the video also of this class?
No, sir. You cannot record it, sir. We'll share all
Okay,
those things.
so you are
Sir,
recording,
then
and
recording means we will take an action on that. So no one can record it. If anybody is trying to record means we'll have an intimation that you are doing some malpractices. And we can take chance liability also.
that is fine. Actually, what I am asking is that suppose
Yes,
in
we will share all those things.
video.
We will
Okay,
share.
fine.
Okay, fine. So now click on next button. Now click on next button.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Don't click any navigations until I say, sir. Okay, because I need to discuss something. Okay, while seeing that pop up.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Now see friends here, as I said, once you are installing Java, 2 components will get installed. One is JDK, another is JRE. Now see, in C drive, program files with Java folder, JDK component is getting installed. Do you want to install the same path or you want to change? Yes, keep that only. Click
No,
on
sir,
next button.
Okay.
See, generally any software should be in a C drive only, sir. Don't say no, because every software don't install other than the C. Every software in C drive only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So soon after some time, it was prompting one more pop-up saying that do you want to install JRE in your computer? There are also same path, C, program files and Java JRE. Do you want to install the path? Yes, click on next in that navigation also.
Yes, sir.
Some people will download JDK only JRE and say my Java is not working, my programs are not running. So as I said, have these 2 components. JDK is Java Development Kit. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. These 2 components must to develop and to execute your programs. So that's why now we are installing JDK component while installing Java, and now it is prompting, do you want to install JRE? We have to click to install it.
Okay, sir.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes.
Sir, I have already installed Java in my machine. So is it okay to continue with that version, or I'll have to update that?
So what's the version you have, sir?
16.0.2.
Better you take 8, sir. Don't take that all those things. Okay. 8 is the compact version. But even when we are working with Jenkins also, it take 8 or 11 version only. Better you take that 8 version. Now see friends, JRE is prompting to install. Getting C program files Java JRE. Just click on next button.
Okay.
Better go with 8 version, sir. Humble request to go 8 or 11 version, because those are compatible versions with all Apache products and even for Jenkins as well. When you're working with Jenkins, asking to provide your Java 8 or 11 to work, friends. That's what. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now JRE component is getting installed. So meanwhile, can you please open C drive, sir? Let's see, these two components will be available there. And one more question, most of the people ask, Ravi, we have already one version of Java. Can we install one more version? Yes, we can install. If I install, is it going to be upgraded? One more that is coming means, yes, generally in any software, what version you install, some other version newly launched, if you're trying to install, what happens? Old version is going to be upgraded with a new one. That's what happening that. In case of Java, you know, one version you install, another version you are installing, suppose 9, tomorrow I'm installing 9 or 11, 8 will be there, 11 also will be there. Two versions of Java will be there. There is no case of upgrading that old with new. Old will be there. So a number of Java versions we can install. Make sure highest version of Java you all installed. But trying to install least version, it will not allow. Least version is installed 8. You want to install 16, then it is allowing that. Understanding what I'm saying? That least version to highest version we can install, but highest version to least versions we cannot install. So highest to remove, then you install the least one, like this we can. Okay now? Getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So it was processing. Yeah.
Hello,
Yes, yes.
sir. Sir, I did not get any mail for after login to Java, sir.
Sorry. Sorry, voice is breaking. Your voice is breaking. Vijay, you have to follow the process what is said. That's what I'm saying, that if people search with the Java download, you have to log into that Oracle account and we have to download. Now you get right file, right software. Vijay, your voice is not at all clear. Your voice is breaking. Your voice is breaking, Vijay.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, right? Yeah. Just search with the Java SC development kit. There you click on 8. There check the checkbox. There you create a login, create account. Then you activate. Then you log in to download it. Okay. So see some Java pop-up is coming down here, sir. Sir, in a Windows here down we can see some pop-up.
No, sir. Currently there is no pop-up. I think it's almost over. Pop-up will show.
No. In taskbar, see, sir,
Yes,
some
sir.
pop-up. Have you closed that?
No, sir.
Okay.
Pop-up
Now
is
click on close. No issues. Now you can click on close. Now.
sir. Next step or close?
Yeah, close. Yeah. Now go to the C drive, program files, Java.
Currently, I have to close the file.
Yeah, please close it. Close. Click on close.
Okay.
Now
Then I
open
have to go to C drive.
Yeah, C drive.
Yes.
Program files.
C
Java.
drive. Just
Program
one second,
files.
sir. Program files. Yes.
Java folder.
And Java.
Yes. In that we can see of course we have installed so many versions of Java. Yeah, of course here we have JDK 111, JRE 111 is there. Got it, sir? Now JDK 161 is there, JRE 161 is there. Now in 8 version we have latest one 311. Got it? JDK 311. 311. Got it? See in 8 version
Yes,
is
sir.
success. In 8 only they are giving some series. That is 311. Got it? Okay.
What's that?
We can see here it's n number of versions we can install. Got it? See previous
Okay,
year
okay. Okay.
8 some 111 160 versions. Now we are installed 311. So previous will be there. Current version also install will be there. Okay now? Now we
Okay.
have done that Java in our computer. Java is successfully installed. Now Eclipse is in progress, right, sir? What is the progress status, sir? How much percentage is done?
245 MB already done.
Okay, no issues. In meanwhile, let me explain one documentation. Let it get downloaded. Friends, once you download install Java, then you can download the Eclipse. That will be in a zip file. We have to extract that Eclipse IDE and we can open it. There we can build your programs, all those things. So let me take control of mine. Okay, let me share my screen.
Okay, sir.
I hope everyone can see my screen. Yes. So once you download the Eclipse, you know how it will be. It will be like this. 1 second. Let me go and show you. It will be like this. It will be like this. Eclipse J something like this will be there. So we have to. This is the zip file. We have to extract it. Right click and click on extract here. Once you do that, we will get like this, friends. You'll get like this. Okay now, just click on it. There click on Eclipse folder. There in the Eclipse blue color will be there. If you double click on it, this is what the Eclipse will be open for you all, friends. This is the Eclipse ID will come like this for you. In this Eclipse, we used to build projects, packages, classes, interfaces, all these things we will be building here, friends. Okay now? Fine. So how to create a project? How do we create a project? And I'm showing that. In the opening Eclipse, go to the file, new project, click on project. There you select a Java project option, click on next button. And here you provide your project name. Okay. The project name what we are providing, that was storing under the workspace D ABC some workspace is storing this workspace. If you want to change the workspace, yes, we can change it. Just by unchecking that, click on browse and specify the path where this project needs to be stored. Okay now, or I can use this workspace. Now see your friends, now here Java. Here every project you are creating, the Java libraries are going to be associate. Okay, based on what Java version you want to build and execute the programs, we need to select that version of Java. You are working with 11 means you select that Java 11. So first project is associated with the Java 11. If you want to work with the Java 8, then select the Java 8. So for every project, Java must be associate. Whatever version here we have to select. The version should be there installed in your computer. Then only we can select that version. Okay now? Yes. Now click on finish. See first project. See here Java 8 library are associated to the project. Any project you create, Java libraries are going to be associated. One SRC folder will get generated. This is first step. Next project. Next we create as a packages. Friends, I was not telling my own. Everything I was following the standards of Java. Let me show you. Friends, if you're purchasing any product, you having some documentation. That's called help. That's called manual documentation. Like it contains like features and specification of that product, such as mobile or smart watches or any electronic goods, any automobiles groups, anything you purchase, you'll be getting some documentation irrespective of the versions. It specifies specification and features of that product. Similar way, every software, once it be launched, for the softwares also has some libraries, structured libraries like documentation. What that project documentation contains means, in that project, suppose Java, some libraries got defined. That defined libraries can be seen in the document. If I talk about Python, in that Python, what are the libraries got defined, that will be there in that documentation. Yes or no? Yes, now we are working with Java. We'll follow the Java 8 version standards. What are the libraries are defined in Java 8 version? If you want to see that, yes, Java 8 have its own API documentation. Irrespective of versions, we have a API documentations. Even if you want to purchase a shift LDI, VDI, ZDI, each variant having its own unique documentation. Similar way, Java 8 having its own document, 9 is having its own document, because by 8 after 9 has come, because in 9 version some more new libraries got implemented. Yes or no? Yes. Now using Java 8, so we have to follow the documentation of Java 8 API. Here, if you want 9 means search with the Java 9 API. Okay, na? So overview Java platform SC8 Oracle Help Center. Just click on it. Here, see Java Platform Standard Edition 8 API Specification Document, where API stands for Application Programming Interface. Okay, na? Fine. Here we can see Java project. Here we can see 3 frames are there: first frame, second frame, third frame. In the first frame under Java project, we have a package. See, so many packages are there. If I click on the package, here down in one more frame, we can see in the package it consists some group of interfaces and classes. If I click on any of the class, the right side we can see applet is a class which consists some field nested classes, some fields, some constructors, some methods. See any other package you click, if I click on java.io something, in this java.io package we have some group of interfaces and group of classes. If I click on any one of the class, here we can see in that buffer input stream class, it has some defined libraries like fields and some constructors and some behaviors are defined under this class. So all the libraries defined by the community, Java community, all these libraries we can see in this documentation. Okay, now respect to the Java 8 version, right? Under the project, first layer we must create a package. Yes, to create a package, we have to follow some naming convention. So usually the first thumb rule for creating packages, every package name should start with a lowercase. Observe here, J, everything is lowercase. And second thumb rule is the starting package name must be given as a company name. So these are all the Java products. So Java is there. If you're working with ICICI, we use starting package name as ICICI like this. That's the second thumb rule. Third thumb rule, every package name should maintain dotted structure. Java.applet, Java.applet like this. What is the reason behind maintaining in a dotted manner means it internally represents as a subfolder. See here, Java is one folder, applet is one subfolder. Under this interface classes will be available. To make understand, in your computer, if you want to organize the movies with the language and what we say category based movies as a irrespective language, how you organize their folders means as movies one folder we create. Under the movies folder, again in the go inside subfolders, English, Hindi, Telugu, Tamil subfolders will create. Again going inside an English movie folder, I will create subfolders: action movie, horror movie, romantic movie, comedy movie. Like this, subfolders. Why? For easiness. If I want to watch English comedy movie, I go to the movies folder, I go to the English movies folder, I go to the comedy folder, I'll pick one of the English movie comedy folder. See how simple to access? If I maintain every language and category movies in one folder, it's tough for me to identify. Yes or no? Yes. Even librarian also managing his books as category based. Science subject books, computer books, economics books, arts books, like this. He's creating some blocks. In that blocks, arts books, alphabetically he is organizing. Why? To organize, to access easily. That's why they are organizing like way. Similar way, maintaining packages like this means it's our sake only. Here, suppose if I talk Java or type, it's all reading writing related libraries will be available in this java.io, where Java is one folder, IO is one subfolder. Under the IO, we have all these interfaces, all these classes. Understanding? Okay. Now let's try to create a package under the project. Click on project.
Hello.
New. Yes.
Sir, already it's downloaded.
Is downloaded. Okay, let me complete the package. I'll come back. Okay, let's click on package. No, don't give uppercase. Here it gives warning. So always go with the lowercase and starts with the company. Suppose I was working with ICICI. In that we have some main module as loans folder, and in that we have so many subcategories: car loans, home loans, personal loans, mortgage loans. Like this we have. Internally, how it represents ICICI folder, loans is one subfolder, car loans is one subfolder. Under car loans folder, I can create all the car loans related functionalities. Okay, click on finish. Likewise, I can create n number of packages. If you want a package, I click on project, new package. So completely we have type ICICI.loans.home loans, like completely you have to type it. Instead of that, I will tell you one shortcut. If you create one package already, right click on existing package, new package. Now our shortcut is just to change in the last only. That's it. Like this, on existing package, right click, new package. Like this, I can create n number of packages in this project. So how this internally represents, let me show you. Let's go to this my project root directory, right click, properties. If you don't know the path, you can do like this. Right click on project, properties. Here, this is the workspace path of your project. Click on arrow mark, it directly routes to your project. Here, first project. Under this SRC folder, under this here, ICS is one folder, loans is one subfolder. Under this we have car loans, personal loans are there. All car loans related classes interface I will create under the car loans. All the home loans related functionalities I will define under the home loans package. Understanding? The reason behind maintaining package data structure internally represents as a subfolders like this. Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Now let's come to your it's a system. Sir, your name is
Sambit Mahapatra.
Sambit, right? Sambit, yes.
Yes.
I made you presenter. Let's try to extract and open the Eclipse.
Okay, I have to click on open Eclipse.
Yeah, please share all. Enter. Please share the screen, sir. I made you presenter.
Show my screen. Yes.
Yeah, entire screen you have to share. Fine. Now, it was. Please open the download. Don't do like this. Just a moment. Okay, done. Download, sir. Go to the downloads folder. Close this first of all. Close this. And close this. Close this. Close this. Close that above. Go to the downloads folder, sir. In your system, downloads folder is there. Go to that.
Yes.
This is the Eclipse top one. Just right click on it. Just right click on it.
Yes.
Right click on it. Don't double click. Right click. Okay.
Okay.
Extract here. Click on extract here. 85% is completed in extraction.
What, sir?
85% is completed extraction. Still 15% is pending.
Yes, yes.
%88 completed. 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Century. We won the match. Come on. So 100% is at most done. Almost done. 98%. Yeah, century done. Now we can see extracted folder will be there here only. Come down and check the Eclipse folder. If you come down, we can find that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please open that folder Eclipse.
Okay.
In that we can see that. One second, just wait. Yeah, the blue color ball Eclipse is right. You double click on it. Blue color ball Eclipse. Double click on
Double
it.
click. Okay,
Yes.
sir.
The first time you are opening Eclipse, right? It's taking time. Next time onwards, it will not take very much time. Anyhow, your system is very slow, I guess. This much time it will not take. Just take hardly 20 seconds to 15 seconds it will take to load it. That's it. Seems to me the system is very slow, I think. Yeah.
Yes,
Now
sir.
see the default workspace. For the first time you are opening the default workspace is see users, the username Eclipse-workspace. This is the default workspace for every profile like this. It will come. If you want the same workspace, you want to maintain to store the projects, you can keep as well. Or if you want to change the workspace, the projects you want to store, you can change here. So you want the same workspace or do you want to change?
No, sir. I have to store here.
You want to change it?
No, sir. I have to store here in
Same
the
workspace
same
is
place.
fine for you? Same place. Okay, no issues. And check this checkbox before you click on launch. Use this as the default, not ask me again. Okay, click on launch. Now, Eclipse is going to be launched with this workspace. It's opening. Now see Eclipse. Now please close this welcome screen. Please close this welcome screen. Top left corner. Top left corner. No, don't press Eclipse. Top left corner, we can see one text welcome is there. In welcome side, we can
Then
pass mark. Close this. Yeah.
okay.
Eclipse environment where we can create a projects, packages, classes. That's what I showed you. The same process. Okay. I hope everyone is done with the installation part of Java and Eclipse. How to create a project and package with standards. Of course, you'll be getting the recordings. Okay, once you've done your payments, all these things, you'll get a source code, you'll get a recording, software material, everything you'll get, friends. Okay.
Sir, click on decline, na?
Sorry. Not required. See, directly go to file menu, you can create a project. Automatically, everything. Just click close this donate window, sir. In top, you can see donate window is there. Close it.
Okay.
Close it. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, remaining process same. Creating project package. We can do what I shared earlier. Okay. Fine, friends. Done for today. The next class will be on Monday. Monday to Friday is the session. The next class will be on Monday, friends. Okay.
Sir, what will be the process for admission?
Sorry.
What is the process of admission?
So you have to pay the fee of 4,000 rupees. Okay, management will be sending you mail shortly. Okay, all the particulars to which account needs to pay, all those things. Management will be sharing you all this information. While following the guidelines, you pay the fee. It's a course like a 4,000 rupees, and 10 course it was Java, DevOps, frameworks, project.
Just 1 minute, sir. That means
Okay.
we are getting a link through which we have to make payment, na?
Yes, yes. Management will be sending you the mail, sir. For to which account needs to pay the fee, all those things. Okay, na?
Okay.
The management will be anyhow your phone numbers, mail IDs are with us. So management will be contacting you in sending all the particulars. Okay, na? And recording all the documentations and source codes, everything is my responsibility. Once you've done the payments, I will share from my end only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, friends, and thank you very much. And we'll meet on next class on Monday, same timing, friends. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
That, friends. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.